Tape 2. I'm Dave, and I'm teaching somebody how to be cool. Most likely John again.
John! John! I hate you! Get out of here, John!
No! One of y'all. Now, okay. You want to be cool?
Yes.
Okay then. What do you want to learn? What do you want to learn?
I hate you!
Okay. Okay, don't run like that if you want to be cool. Run like that.
Really?
Really?
It's like I could.
Really? Oh, wow, that was incredibly cool. And you did that without any help.
Oh my God!
You want some help?
Okay, that really did hurt, John.
I'm okay. You should check her.
Him, come here.
Trying to teach him how to be cool and make him triple over me?
No.
That looks amazing.
Together we can defeat his virginity. I'm done.
Get out there. Let's be cool. Say I.
I.
Wait. I. Be cool. Get out. Be cool. Get out of here. That was really weird. Okay. What else do you want to be cool with? What else do you want to be cool with? Wait, you never told me what you want to be cool with. What do you want to be cool with?
I'm cool like you, Dave.
Okay, just stand around and talk like I do. Like, everything's so cool and fly like that. You're always mellow. Never be mad with my horn.
It's Gansy.
Oh no. Who broke your horn, dude?
It was Tab. You break your face too.
What? Oh, that is so cool. You know what the skills that can catch you, right?
What?
Okay. Just talk kind of like I do. Just be all cool, mellow, not ever get mad. Ever.
Never.
Like him. He's cool. He's mellow. Until he gets mad. Yeah. Wait, we're going to drop you backwards and you're going to catch yourself.
What? No!
My dad is afraid of it! No! Come on, I'm afraid! Just drop my lazy phone! That was so cool.
Hey, Garcat. Is it bad that I took this from Gansy?
Yes.
Oh crap, run.